Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain exercise 3.5. First bit, it is given that quadrilateral PQRS with PQ 3.6 cm, QR 4.5 cm, RS 5.6 cm, angle PQR 135 degrees and angle QRS 60 degrees is given. Okay, these are the given measurements. With these given measurements, we need to construct a quadrilateral PQRS. Okay, see, this is the rough diagram. Based on this rough diagram, now I will construct main diagram. Okay, just very simple. First, we need to draw PQRS given. No, so PQ line segment we need to draw first of all, which is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Okay, directly here I am taking 3.6 centimeters. Okay, here just how to 0 to 3.6, here nearby 3.6, just I am taking, here it is 3.5, no 3.6, just nearby, just I am taking from here. Okay, just how to join these 2 points with ruler, but I am not holding the ruler, so just I am taking PQ, P and Q. Okay, with the center Q, now this is 3.6 centimeters, no 3.6 centimeters. Now with the center Q, now you have to draw an arc and a ray. Why? Because angle Q is given, no angle PQRS 135 degrees given, no, so that is angle at Q. So angle at Q 135 degrees. So ray angle is given means we need to draw the ray. Okay, now I am drawing that only. See here, by using protractor you need to take this is a like this, you have to keep it midpoint of the protractor, you have to place it on the point Q. Now wherever 135 is there, see 100, 110, 120, 130, here in middle 135, this is, you have to locate the point. Okay, by using ruler we have to join this, we have to draw a ray like this, you have to keep it and you have to draw the ray. Just I am drawing, see, just I am drawing like this. Okay, this is a ray of 135 degrees, 135 degrees, this is line lightly I will draw, this is 135 degrees ray. Okay, just I am giving name also. Now say with center Q you have to draw the arc which is equal to 4.5 centimeters. Okay, you have to take the ruler and you have to take the compass. 4.5 metal pointer of the compass, you have to place it on the 0 of the ruler. Now you have to extend the pencil end of the compass at 4.5, you have to extend up to here 4.5. See, this is 4.5 like this. Okay, 4.5 with the center Q, this is 4.5 radius, we have to draw the arc. Okay, this arc and ray meet at a point, let us take R. Okay, next by using center R, why? Because see, R is the angle is given, so by using center R you have to draw the ray which is equal to 60 degrees and draw arc which is equal to 5.6 centimeters. Okay, by using center R you have to draw a ray 60 degrees, no, So by using protractor, you have to make it as it is a point or midpoint of the protractor, and this horizontal line should be same line. Okay, so 60, wherever 60 is there, you can keep 60. Okay, up to here it is there, no, 60. See, 60 degrees is there, no? So just you have to place it, mark one point near 60. So now by using ruler you have to join these 2 points like this. You have to join. This is a ray of 60 degrees. Okay, by using center or, again you have to draw the arc which is equal to 5.6 centimeters. 5.6 centimeter. Now take the ruler and you have to set the compass. 5.6 centimeter. You have to adjust 5.6, similar, just nearby 5.6 I am taking. By using center R, you have to draw the arc which is equals to 5.6 centimeters. So this is 5.6 centimeters. Now this ray and this arc meet at a point. Let us take S. Okay, now here any measurement is given, just we need to join S and P. Just you have to join SP or PS. Okay, required quadrilateral PQRS is formed. Very simple construction. Okay, now the steps only I have given here. What I did, how I constructed that in a sentence formation. Okay, this first point, draw a line segment PQ with radius 3.6 centimeter. Okay, with the center Q, draw a ray and an arc or equal to 135 degrees and 4.5 centimeter. These two meet at a point R. Okay, with the center R, draw a ray and an arc equal to 60 degrees and 5.6 centimeter. These two meet at a point S. Okay, now join S and P. The required quadrilateral PQRS is formed. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.